In another act of terrorism, at least 5 Punjab-based laborers were shot dead by unidentified armed men on Monday afternoon during a road construction work in Balochistan's Pashin district. According to the local police, the incident took place in Salmanzai area of Saranan, which is located around 57 kilometers from the provincial capital Quetta, where armed men targeted the laborers belonging to Pakpatan district of Punjab who were working on a road construction project. Chief Minister Balochistan Sarfaraz Bugti has strongly condemned the target killings of innocent laborers and said the incident highlights the brutal mindset of terrorist groups. Mr. Bugti vowed that the government would not show leniency towards the terrorists targeting unarmed laborers and said these cowardly acts of terrorists cannot weaken the provincial government's resolve. The bodies of the slain laborers were shifted to Quetta and later departed to their native villages in Punjab province.